we're going to be making the Shyguy from Boomer Billboard. Because this is the first time that I actually got this. I just got it. We didn't get any character packs, but this is a unboxing video. Ow.
You okay?
Yeah. So Lego was host on. Lego's host sometimes.
Yeah, they do.
Everyone knows that they get painful when you step on them.
It is.
No one ever wants to step on a Lego. Oh, okay. Everyone might know how to build Shyguy, but I'm still going to build him.
Okay.
Which is his max. I found the max ever. When I think the max is one of the has. His ones are cute.
They are. I like Shy Guys.
Wait, focus. I have to focus on the Legos. I hum to myself, oh my gosh, okay? So yeah, this piece goes here. That piece goes on top. This goes here. Do two of these. Back side. A track tile. Okay. That's it.
No, you missed a piece. I think that red piece is supposed to go on the top. So, yeah, I think that's supposed to be going on his head. Isn't it?
Yep.
Okay. There we go. That looks better. Oh, no!
Everyone's trying to see what Shyguy's face really looks like.
Very good.
That yelling in the background is my Uni. And she's yelling.
Alright. Let's finish up the video and then we'll show off the completed set in a little bit.
Bye, guys. You see, so we're off in a few seconds. Bye.
Bye.